Today we're on a cycle bar Stages bike. This is the Sic2 monitor, SIC2 monitor. We're gonna go over how to do a simple monitor swap. Very simple. Come around to the front of the bike. Look under here. That screw right there is metric 3 millimeters. You're gonna wanna unscrew that. Very simple. Take whatever sort of Allen key 3 millimeter you have. Unscrew it like so. Try not to use power tools so you don't strip anything out. I'm not too worried about it when you take it out, but definitely when you put it back in. So once that screws out, you kind of pull this way gently. There's a wire connected. Boom. There's the wire. Disconnect that wire, reconnect it, and then should come with some instructions. Very simple. If this is a new install, you're definitely going to want to pair it with your power meter. So you need the numbers off of that. Then you're going to want to do a 0 reset calibration on the power meter. Make sure that's all good. And then once the 0 reset's done, that's pretty much everything. So long or the short, pair up the power meter, make sure your ANT ID is on, then do your 0 reset.